Hello student, Namaste Saranalai. So today in this short lecture, I will provide you a trick to remember the order of wavelength and the frequency. So before entering into the topic, I hope you all subscribe my channel. So now let's move into the topic. For the order, you have to remember a short statement, and the statement is, or you can say the trick is, Ram Ram I visited I visited you at Xavier's graduation ceremony. So in the trick, all the capitals has its meaning, that is R, M, I, V, U, X, G and C. So now let's elaborate the trick. So from R we have radio wave, radio wave, radio wave, and then we have microwave, microwave, and then infrared, infrared, and then visible ray, visible ray, and then ultraviolet ray, ultraviolet ray, and then we have X-ray, X-ray, and then we have gamma ray, gamma rays, and at the last we have cosmic ray, C for cosmic ray. So these are the names of the wave, and for the order of wavelength and frequency, when you go from left to right, when you go from left to right, that is when you go from radio wave, microwave, infrared, wavelength decreases, frequency increases, wavelength decreases, frequency increases, and energy also increases. That is when you go from radio wave, microwave to infrared, the wavelength increases, that is the maximum wavelength is of radio wave, and then microwave, and then infrared, that is for example wavelength of order of wavelength. So radio wave is greater than microwave. We have written here wavelength decreases, that is the maximum wavelength is of radio wave, microwave, and then infrared, and then visible ray, and then UV rays, and then X-ray, and then gamma rays, and at last the smallest wavelength is of cosmic ray. And just opposite to this, there is the order of frequency, because we know lambda is equals to h by f, that is lambda is inversely proportional to frequency. So the opposite of wavelength order is the order of frequency, that is the smallest frequency is of now radio wave. So just opposite to the order of wavelength, there is the order of frequency, and the order of frequency is alike to the order of energy, because energy is directly proportional to frequency. So I hope you all get understood, and the trick is Ram I visited you at Xavier graduation ceremony. So R means radio wave, M micro, infra visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma ray, cosmic ray. So now it will be easy to remember you all. So my dear student, take the screenshot and thank you for the class.